She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be filming a different type of video than I usually do. I'm actually going to be showing you guys a few different apps that you guys can get on your iPhone and probably your Android, I know for sure an iPhone, that will make you a few extra bucks, just some pocket money. All these apps are super easy to use and just like very basic. Hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, let's just get started. So the first app I want to talk about is called Make Money. I think there are a lot of apps like this out there, but I think this one is the most popular one. It has like the most reviews and everything on the App Store. But basically what you do for this one, there are a bunch of tasks that are available, and they can be from like downloading an app or like doing a survey. There's like just a bunch of different tasks, and you're collecting points like most of these kind of apps. You're collecting points, and then you can go to the payout section and redeem them for gift cards for PayPal. So $5 is 5,000 credits. It's pretty easy to get a lot of credits just because like the tasks you can get, like the lowest amount of points you can get from a task is like 100 points, and then the highest, like the tasks will like switch out like daily and stuff like that. So like they won't always be the same ones, but the available tasks right now, the highest one is like 4,000. So it's really easy to get a lot of points. And then there's also a map feature, which I live in Canada, and I find with all these apps, all the tasks like on the map are in the US, so I don't really think that's really a thing unless you live in the US or like maybe other countries too, but just in Canada they don't show any tasks on the map. But normally if there were tasks, you would see them around you on your local map. So yeah, that's basically this app. It's really just like very simple. The second app I'm going to talk about is called Fish for Money, and this is literally like a game like you play on your phone. Basically you just have a hook and you're just fishing, and then every single time you collect a fish, you get points for the fish, and like some of the fish, like the puffer fish, you like tap to inflate to get more points. I don't know, it's kind of like a dumb little game, but like if you're bored or whatever, got nothing to do, then like you could just do this. But basically yeah, you just fish, get points for if you catch them, and then you can go to the market and buy like better types of hooks and like boats and stuff, and like equipment for your fishing with your points. But basically you're trying to get as many points as you can, and then again, like the other app, you can redeem it for an Amazon or PayPal gift card. This one tends to, you need a lot more points, but I haven't played this that much, so I don't know how fast it is to get points with this app. The other thing I found with this app is like ads come up a lot, which is kind of annoying. But if that doesn't bother you, then this is also like, this is more like just a fun app. Like it's literally a game, so, and it is pretty fun. It's just fishing. But yeah, I have these two apps which are very similar to each other. The first one's called Gigwalk, and basically it just gives you a map, and then there will be tasks all around your area, kind of like the first app, but this app is literally dedicated to just that. Click on one of the points and it'll tell you what the task is and how much you receive for it. Basically it'll just have random tasks on it, and then they'll give you a description of the task. Just read it, do it, and then it'll give you a day, like an amount of time you have to do it. So this one says due in 3 days, and then you can apply for the task. Sometimes you can just do it and they're for everyone, and sometimes they're like you have to apply and then they'll allow you to do it or not, whether or not you're like qualified or have the right requirements for that. They call them gigs, but tasks. Anyway, so that's basically the idea of this app. It's really cool. I would love to use this if they had tasks in Canada, but apparently they have none. So yeah, it's just really easy money. It's just like most of them are around $8 to $5. Some of them are over 10 even. Some of them are around like 12 to 15. So it really would be a really great way to make easy money. The second app that is basically the exact same thing as Field Agent. It's just it's literally the exact same thing. Gives you jobs to do, and then if you go to the map, it'll show you all the jobs in your area that you could do if you wanted, and it'll tell you the price, and it's the exact same idea. Like I said, I live in Canada, so no jobs come up for me, but I wanted to still show you guys this app because I know not everyone who watches me lives in Canada. The next one I think is the most fun. It's Cash Quiz. And basically this one is cool because you could do quizzes against people or your friends if your friends have this app too, and whoever wins like the quizzes, like you'll get a set of questions and then answers, and then whoever like gets the most amount of answers right in the quiz, again, like you and your opponent are doing the same quiz, and whoever gets the most right answers will get the points. And again, you're just adding up your points, trying to collect a lot to redeem for gift cards and cash. So yeah, so like I said, you can go play against your friends if your friends have this app, or you could just play against random people and they'll just like randomly pick someone for you. You can also do the daily quiz, which enters you into like a huge draw with everyone who has the app, and the higher you rank on the quiz, the more amount of money you're subject to win. So, or more amount of points you're subject to win, not money. I played around with this random girl, but she hasn't played me back yet, so I don't know if I won. I don't think I did. I did really bad. Some of the questions are really hard. Like, I have no idea about history or anything, so like, I was like really, I didn't know any of the questions. The second last one I'm going to talk about is called Ebates. You have probably all heard about this. I think it's the most popular like cashback app, but basically it's just when you're going shopping or whatever, just you can either connect your credit card or debit card or whatever to the stores on the app, and it'll tell you how much cash back you're getting. So every single time you buy something with your credit card or whatever, you will automatically get the % back. So for example, Amazon has a 4% cash back. So if you just press shop, just like buy things, and then from your total you'll get 4% cash back. So it's just like a really easy way. You don't really have to do anything. Like if you're just going shopping, just like it's just like I don't know why you wouldn't do this. Like, you're just getting money back even though you're already gonna buy it anyway, you know. It's good for groceries, all that kind of stuff. So that's eBay. It's just perfect for when you're shopping if you're a shopaholic like me. The last app I'm going to talk about, you all probably know about, like definitely know about, but for those of you who don't, it's just called Depop. Depop is perfect if you have old clothes that you don't wear anymore, or just like don't like anymore, not your style. Just sell them on there and then just make a few dollars. It's just great, fast money. And for Depop, you don't have to be like popular or anything. People will just find you if they look up like a certain tag, or like whatever they're looking up for, like whatever they're looking for. Like if they're looking for an Adidas hoodie, they'll just look up Adidas hoodie and tons will come up. It doesn't matter whether or not you have a lot of followers or not. It's just your captions. If it has the name there, like if it has the thing they're looking for, it'll come up when they're looking for it, and you'll just get random followers and like random likes, and people will see their stuff, will see your stuff on their pages all the time. And it's just like a great community to sell your clothes. If you don't have like a group or something, you can do that in your just like local, like in your like friend group or like school or whatever. This is a great alternative. I use Depop. I kind of have stopped using it for a little bit just because really the only reason I did was because I can sell my clothes at my school, which is a lot easier for me because then I don't have to ship them. But in the summer I did use it a lot, and I did make money from it, so it's definitely real. I definitely would vouch for this app. It is a great app, and you can find lots of things on it. There are so many things on Depop, and people are selling them for so much cheaper than like the regular price for just like slightly used items. So really it's just like, I don't know, I just love it. I love it. It's like thrifting online. Yeah, so Depop is a really cool app. I totally suggest. And yeah, follow me on Depop if you want. Yeah, that was all the apps I wanted to share. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you will be able to make some money after you watch this video. if you haven't subscribed, please go do so. Follow me on Instagram, you know, all that good stuff. Comment down below if you have any more requests. This was just like a random fun video. I just remember I used to use these apps all the time when I didn't have a job and stuff, so I think these are great. These are great. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Where have you been? You came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan.